Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the UCL Tournament Player Pack C. So you can exchange with a UCL token to get UCL Tournament Player Pack. And it only 10 processes only per day. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tapping the store, tap the live events, tap the tournament, and this one. UCL Tournament Player Pack C. One more time, you can only buy 10 processes per day. So you can get this possible reward. The part of UEL live player, Stephen Berghuis, for example, and also you can get this Jonathan David from Lille. He is part of UECL live player also. So there is no a Champions League or UCL, but you can get UEL player or you can get UECL live player. This is possible reward for you. And if you're not lucky enough, you can get this. There will be guarantee rate for you, contain a 75 plus UVR, UEL or UECL player. By only use this 100 UCL token. So you can earn this UCL token by playing in UCL tournament. So you have to play more in this tournament, in UCL tournament. It will take your time, but this is the high risk, high reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.